B2 Nation, what's up? It's Kevin, and I'm back. Got Piper back. Piper is my Cessna 150, as you guys already know. And I'm looking forward to getting the flyer again. But before we do that, it's time for some annual cleaning. Piper's been sitting on a ramp for quite some time, so of course she's dirty, she's filthy underneath. You know, 150s leak oil, and as they leak oil, it builds up underneath. So we're gonna get in there, we're gonna get that grime off, that grease off, and then we're gonna try a new product today once we get it washed with some water. Armor Shield Light by Avalon King. They were kind enough to send me this, so it's only right that I check it out. Let's get to it. Don't want to lose your airspeed? Don't get water in the pitot too. All right, so as you can see behind me, the sun has gone down, but that doesn't stop anything. We're still gonna keep cleaning this plane. If anything, this actually works to our advantage because it will let us see how this product actually shines. I'm not sure if it's gonna cover the entire plane, but we'll put it on there lightly. Let's see how much we can cover. All right, let's go ahead and open it first. Secondly, there's a little spray nozzle that comes with it, so we're gonna stick this in here and twist it on. All right, now looking at the instructions, it says apply wet or dry, so it doesn't matter. You can apply it right after a car wash or a plane wash. I will say I don't often use car products on planes, but after looking at some of these reviews, I don't see why this wouldn't work. Basically, it wants you to spray it on the surface, spray some onto the rag, then flip the rag and wipe it dry. It says, please don't drink or put in your eyes. This must be for the Tide Pod generation. All right, you can bring the light in a little closer. Right here, we'll work on this little square surface right here. We're just gonna apply 2 to 3 sprays here. Once we open it, of course. All right, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll spray some into the rag. And we'll wipe it down and see what it does here. And then we will dry it with the other side. So what we'll do is we'll do the rest of the plane like this, and then we'll show you the after results. Let's go. Overall, I feel like it's a solid choice when it comes to coating of a vehicle. I also feel like it's a solid choice when it comes to coating an airplane. This is probably by far the best shine that I've ever had on this paint, and I believe this paint is 25 years old when I checked the logbooks last. So, shout out to Avalon King. The light product is 100% approved, and I would say next time send me 2 bottles. Okay, I need 2 bottles. Didn't get the wings done because I ran out of product, but everything else is done.